Hi, Nat Thompson here from natthompson.com. This tutorial is going to show you how to delete an EC2 instance from your Amazon Web Services account in case you need to retire an image or need to replace it with a new image. So let's take a minute and get started. Here in your AWS Management Console, you're going to want to select the EC2 service to see all of your EC2 instances. Head over to the Instances option to list your instances. And this is the demo instance I've created to show you how to snapshot and delete an instance from your AWS services that you have running. So you're going to select the image that you want to first snapshot, so make sure it's selected. And then in the Actions drop down, head down to the Image option in that menu, and then choose Create Image. Now you're going to want to give it an image name so that you can refer to it if you ever need to restore it from this snapshot. So I'm just going to call it AWS Essential Snapshot. Leave everything else in place and create image. Now this is going to take a little bit of time to create the image. If you want to view the progress, click the View Pending Image link. I'm going to open it in a new tab, and that'll bring it up. Close out of this, and you can go see the progress. Now this is going to take a little bit. Once it's complete though, you can go back to your instances list to take the next step in deleting the instance. Hey everyone, Nat here. Pardon the interruption, but I just wanted to take a second and talk about how important I think it is to make connections in IT to help your career grow. To that end, if you are looking to take the next step in your career, please comment below on your specialty and what you want to do next. If you can help anyone that is looking to grow in their IT career, please reach out to the folks in the comments and see what you can do to help them along. Thanks, and let's get back to the video. Here, make sure you've selected the instance that you want to delete and only the instance you want to delete. Check the box for that instance, and under Actions drop down, you'll want to go to Instance State and then Terminate. Stop will stop the instance and leave it in your system, but Terminate will actually remove it from the system. So go ahead and click that Terminate, and you'll get a prompt asking you to confirm that that's what you want to do. Get the warning, make sure you do want to actually delete the instance by terminating it. Once you've confirmed all that, you then head over to the Yes Terminate button, and that will carry out the action for you. All right. Take a second for the status to catch up here. You can also refresh that status with the refresh button at the top, and you'll see that it's shutting down. This will take a little bit to finish up, but when it does, you'll see the instance in a terminated state. Now that'll stay out there for a little while, but after a couple of hours, that instance will disappear from your instance list, and you'll have successfully terminated the EC2 instance and deleted it from your account. If you're interested in advancing your career through AWS, check out the link to my AWS Essentials course in the description. It's the easiest hands-on way to advance your skills in AWS cloud and move yourself forward in your IT career.